How to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can turn on or enable the two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You might just want to add two-factor authentication in order to add an extra security layer to your account. Once you've updated the Instagram app, I'm going to basically go ahead and then open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, you can come to your profile page on this case, as you can see, and what you want to do is on the very top right hand side you can see those three horizontal lines. All you have to do is tap on the three horizontal lines icon. As soon as you tap on it, over here you want to go ahead and simply select settings. So go ahead and tap on settings. As you tap on settings, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. You want to go ahead and halfway down the bottom you'll find this option which says security. So go ahead and tap on security, and again you'll be able to see other options. What you want to do is on this particular page you have to simply select this option which says two-factor authentication. So go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you tap on two-factor authentication, you can see it says add extra security to your account. So at the bottom of the screen, go ahead and simply tap on the get started button. Now you can choose a security method such as the authentication app, which is the recommended one. You can choose WhatsApp text, or you can choose offline text messages. In my case, I will simply go ahead and choose the offline text message option in this case. And what you can do is you can simply make sure to actually enter the code which you receive over here. So go ahead and simply enter the code which you might have received. Open your messages app and you can see the code which you actually just received. I will go ahead and simply copy the code and then come back to Instagram and then paste that particular code on this box. Once you've done that, you can see it says two-factor authentication is on. Now you can also get your login code through WhatsApp in case you're online, which is much more quicker and safer. And then tap on the done button, which is C, and you have some of the recovery codes. What you can do is simply take a screenshot of this codes right over here, or you can see it says a backup code has been added to your gallery. You could go ahead and basically take a screenshot. If you sometimes do not receive the code, you can enter any one of these codes below in order to log into your account. And this is the way on how you can turn on two-factor authentication on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.